Very good afternoon. How are you, ma'am?
Yes, very good afternoon, ma'am. Yes, I am doing well. What about you?
Yes, I'm also doing great. Yes, my day is already going very well because for the past 2, 3 days I was under the weather, but since yesterday I'm feeling much better. So yes, since yesterday I was thinking to take at least one session a day so that I can, maintain my communication skills. So yes, that's why I message you today so that I can have at least one conversation. And moreover, since I think for 2 days we were trying to connect with each other, so I was very much excited to connect with you as well. Tell me
I am
something
also
about you.
I am also delighted to talk to you because
Yes.
yesterday just we kept waiting to each other and today we connected to each other. So yes, I have completed my household chores and everything. Now I am ready to converse with you. So yes,
Okay.
I'm very ready.
So I want to know something about you. Like you were saying that you have other work also, you were busy into it. So what kind of work do you have? Are you into it?
Okay, I have a ladies boutique, ma'am.
Okay.
Ladies boutique. So my tailor stitches clothes for ladies, and I'm selling dress material for ladies like suit pieces. So
Okay.
one stop solution I have, both work I have.
Okay. One work you have your boutique and second work is?
Selling suits.
Okay, okay. That's wonderful. So how long have you been this into work?
15 years back, I started
Okay.
my business. So I have 15 years experience, you can say. I am, yes, I
Okay.
know very well how to stitch, how to put design in clothes, everything I know in stitching work. So
Okay.
that is why, yes, I guide my tailor.
Okay, that's very good. May I know where do you live? Like first, if you can tell me something about you.
Okay, ma'am. First, yes, thank you for asking. My name is Ranjana, and I am from Delhi, ma'am. Now, okay, I am basically
Okay.
from Bihar, but now I am connecting from Delhi. Yes,
Okay. So, where do you live in Delhi?
Dwarka More.
Okay, Dwarka, which sector?
No, no, not Dwarka sector, Dwarka More, metro
Okay,
station.
okay.
Yes,
Okay,
nearby
okay,
metro.
fine. Okay. My mother also lives in Janakpuri, so I'm very well aware. Though I have never been into Dwarka, but I know very well about Dwarka.
Yes, you
It
have
is
heard
getting
very well.
residential day by day, there are so many houses are building up.
Yes,
So I think
yes.
it is residential. So many people are coming to shift over there because
But
this is the
ma'am,
only place
too
left
much
in Delhi.
pollution are here. So
Yes, yes,
nowadays,
yes, yes.
living, you can say in Delhi, it's very difficult to manage for
Yes,
us.
yes, yes. Whether in terms of pollution or population, you can take anything. It is
Yes,
becoming difficult.
yes.
Yes, yes, yes. I can very well understand. We were also in Delhi 2 years before, but now we are in Faridabad, Haryana.
Okay. So tell me,
Yes.
ma'am, how is it like Faridabad, your place, for
Yes,
living purpose?
much better than Delhi in terms of pollution and population. But if I talk about the main necessities which we used to fulfill, in Delhi, that is becoming little difficult because whatever you wanted to buy or eat, like snacks or to buy shopping, it was very much nearby. Like you had means in Delhi, I think wherever you live, you will find so many you will find near your place so many things like you can buy, but here it is little difficult. Like if we feel like eating to eat some snacks, so there is no vendor nearby, no shop nearby where you can have those water balls, chaat pakode and all. So here it is getting little difficult. Temples are also near far away. So I think it is also
Maybe you
getting
are living
residential
society,
slowly and
ma'am.
steadily.
You
Yes.
are living in society, like apartments.
No, we have builder flats.
Okay.
Yes, yes. Earlier in Delhi, it was not that much difficult. If we have to go somewhere to hang out or to shop, but now here it is getting little difficult. Means whatever you have to do, you have to go little far away, whether in terms of shopping or hanging out or to eat something. Only this is the problem. Otherwise, if you want mental peace, if you want to stay away from population, it is good for your health point of view, and you have totally peace here. That's what I like here very much. Means now I like Faridabad more than Delhi. And obviously, initially when we shifted, I felt like I was missing Delhi. But as time passes by, wherever you live, you get attachment to that place. So same is
Yeah.
happening with, yes. So have
Yes,
you been
Delhi
into
has
Delhi
changed
for
a
so
lot.
long? Yes, yes, yes. So
Yes,
how
yes.
long have you been in Delhi?
You can say, ma'am, after getting married, I moved in Delhi. So
Oh,
it's been 25 years.
okay. So you
So
are
2005.
habitual to that place.
Yes.
Yes, but many times we come to know the importance of that place when we leave that place. We do miss so many things in Delhi.
Yes, yes, ma'am. You can say both have pros and cons. Okay. Because in Delhi, like everything is there. So if like we have to have something, definitely we will have. And
Yeah.
everything, but ma'am, you if you talk about mental peace, if you talk about serene place, so no, there is no this kind of place I feel in Delhi. Yes, for job purpose and for education purpose, Delhi is better than other place. Yeah, ma'am.
Yes, yes, yes. I think we can fulfill our main necessities living in Delhi. And if you are especially living in Delhi, it becomes very much difficult for that family or person to adjust to another place because you fulfill all your requirements in Delhi. That's why
Yeah.
so many people are coming to Delhi. This is one of the reasons why Delhi is getting populated because so many people, just to poverty and all, they are shifting to Delhi for some work purpose, or to earn their living. So this is also one of the reasons. That's why it is very much accessible to live in Delhi because you are fulfilling all your requirements. There are many schools. Like here also, there are good schools, but they are also quite far off. So even I have to send our kids to school little far off. And there in Delhi, at a stone's throw, you will find many schools. So there is no problem. Yeah, yes, you are very much right. No problem regarding education, schools, job. So I think that is more important. I think to earn a living is more important, these days. But definitely, whatever God plans to, if He has planned to send you here, so definitely there must be something good. I think we should go according to His plan.
Yeah, God has decided
Ye-
about us everything.
Yes, yes. Okay, I just want to know, like, is it your interest or hobby to learn this language, or what's the reason behind it?
Yes, ma'am, it is my childhood dream, you can say. That is why I'm learning. I embarked my journey 2 years back. You can say it is about to complete 2 years now, and I'm enjoying my learning process.
Okay, right. So, how much do you feel you have improved since two
You can
years?
say, yes, you can say I'm in intermediate level.
Okay, okay, okay.
I feel lower intermediate level or upper, I don't know exactly, but yes, I am in an intermediate level because I can communicate with other people, okay, without hesitation, face to face even, okay. But yes, after 15 days again, I started doing conversation. So that is why sometimes I feel like this is there is no you can say environment for learning
Mhm.
and for doing practice. So sometimes we feel if we stop this learning process, definitely we will feel like hesitation and problem fumbleness. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, yes.
Yes, if we talk to each other like in English knowledge, in English language, then it is good for us. If we stop, that time we feel difficulty.
Mm-hmm. Right. So how do you, and whatever you said, like definitely you have improved a lot. You are saying yourself that now you do not hesitate talking to people. It's all just because, you are talking to people. You have get rid of your hesitation. This is one of the improvements. Now you do not feel hesitate while talking to people in this language. So I think definitely you are improving in a great way. This is what we require.
Yes, ma'am, you can say like whenever I get time, just I try to talk with other people, try to talk with co-learners, and I try to do practice. You can
Hmm.
say 10 minutes, 15 minutes, half hour, okay, whenever I get time. So yes, improvement I always feel because morning time I went to park for exercising. Okay, for exercise, every day morning walk I do, and like this kind of things I exercise. So that time one lady, she is from Bengal, and she was in maybe educational department, and she speaks very well English. Okay, so that time I started talking with her in English language without hesitation. So I feel like improvement.
Yes.
Yes,
Yes.
like I
Whenever.
am much better than earlier time I feel,
Mhm.
because when earlier like I started talking with other people face to face, so that time I started like more sweating. But nowadays I can communicate with other, I can talk.
Yes, yes, yes. I think to judge ourselves is very easy. Whenever we talk to outsiders, then we really come to know our improvement, how much we have improved.
Yes, yes, ma'am. Because now, like a video call and audio call, it's different, ma'am. Okay, but face to face, totally different.
Yes,
Okay.
yes, yes.
Yes.
So, which way do you feel more convenient? Like whenever you go outside and talk to people, or this way?
Mm, same, ma'am. For me, I feel
Okay, okay, okay,
both.
okay.
Yes,
Like,
everything
yes.
same. Because nowadays I want to talk to YouTuber and co-learners. So in this way I am improving, and I am, you can say, doing practice every day.
Hmm.
But you can say 10 or 15 days, after 15 days again I started talking, I started making video. So that is why I feel sometimes, no, I am not good at speaking nowadays. Again I have to do practice more than I can do, I feel nowadays.
Yes, even 4 5 days are enough, to get a break from this fluency. If I do not talk for 4 5 days, I think that is enough for me to
Yes.
again bring my fluency back. So I think it
Yes,
is very
ma'am.
necessary, even
Yes,
if we
yes,
are
also, but vocabulary also, ma'am. We can not use proper vocab while speaking. Like,
talking.
we have to force our mind after
Yes,
15 days or after 1 month.
yes, yes, yes.
Yes.
Earlier, I think just 15 to 20 days before, till that time, I was very much keen to use vocabulary words and all. Then I decided not to force myself to use those words. Let me polish my verbal communication skills first by speaking fluently. I thought this is necessary first. If I'll
Yes.
pressurize myself to speak in a good way also, along with that to use those vocabulary words also, I will get burdenized. And once I get overpowered by this language. So I didn't want this. So that's why I thought to stop imposing myself to use those fancy words. Instead, first I work on my fluency. Like whatever come up to me, I can convey my message properly. So now I'm working on that thing only. Because I think if we are doing something in an enjoyable way, that is more good. If we do
Yeah.
anything, putting burden on ourselves, it becomes difficult. Then we start
Yes.
taking tension.
Yes, ma'am. I'm also like earlier, I was also always working upon myself, like vocabulary part, you can say. But that time, one day I have watched Charisma ma'am video, and Charisma ma'am always talk nicely, but without any kind of using advanced vocab. So she
Yes.
always, yeah, speaks, she speaks very well, I feel. So that time I thought, so no, without using advanced word, we can speak, we can talk to
Yes.
other
Yes.
people, yes, with
Yes.
fluency. But again, ma'am, if we skip 10 or 15 days or some days, definitely we will feel agitation again. This is the
Yes.
part
Yes.
of learning, you can say, because this is not our language. This is our fourth,
Yes.
fifth language, I feel, for us. So we feel problems sometimes.
Yes, but sometimes it happens, our situation, our environment, our circumstances become like this, then that we do not get time. And you are already running your work, so I think it becomes very much hard for you. Like you are managing both things. I think already hats off to you. How are you managing all of these? Tell me something.
Ma'am, you can say we when we have some burning desire, so we want to accomplish our desire anyhow, I feel. So that is why you can say, ma'am, morning time I get up at 5 o'clock, and after that I complete my household chores, everything, and again my master start calling me. Then I go to my shop and I guide my tailor, so how to put design and which kind of cloths you have to stitch, and I want to customize. So after that again I return at my home, and then I start household chores. I start doing household chores and everything. And sometimes I get time, so I talk with my children, because maybe I'm not Tracy term, ma'am, person. Okay, I am, you can say, talkative. And I enjoy talking with my children always, not with other person, with my children. Always I enjoy talking. Yes, this is my timetable, you can say.
Okay.
Evening
So,
time, totally I handle it, my shop,
okay.
5 to
Right.
9.
Hmm. So, tell me about your work. Don't you feel like in today's time people are going towards ready-made garments more, or they try to, get their fabric stitched very less? So, don't you think like this just because in boutiques, it's my personal experience. Like in Delhi, there were two, three boutiques where, they have spontaneously started charging very high, and I have heard that now people are preferring buying ready-made garments. So does it affect your boutique also, or is it going well like earlier?
Ye- yes, ma'am, you can say it's effect. Okay, it's effects, but you can say some people, they are not comfortable with ready-made dresses, ready-made suits and pants, you can say, and daily wear dresses. So that is why they prefer to wear only like stitch dresses,
Okay.
customized dresses. Yes. And ma'am, you can say on festival, any kind of festival, like start Karwa Chauth and Tees and everything, Deepavali, ladies, they always want to wear new dresses. So that is why you can say in festival or in marriage season, no, there is no effect, but sometimes you can say on and off season is going on.
Mhm.
Yeah.
Okay, okay. I wish I could live nearby you so that I also get a chance to get my outfit done from you because
But ma'am,
earlier I used to live in Janakpuri.
okay. So yes, but nowadays, ma'am, you can say people think, even I also think, so ready-made dresses, it's you can say not costly for us, not
Yes, yes.
expensive. Okay, but stitching dress, because first you have to buy something, suit pieces and something. After that, you have to customize from tailor. So yes, that's, you can say, expensive, obviously.
Yes, yes, this is the reason people don't want to take such kind of headache to buy and then to go to boutique, get it stitched. They want shortcut, you know, to get a ready-made garment and then wear it comfortably, get it altered, that's it. And there
Yes,
is online system too much these days. So I think
Yeah.
everything has become so much accessible. You just, press the button and choose your ready-made outfit and it will be at your doorstep. So I think everything has
Yeah.
become so much easy for us. People don't want to make any kind of effort.
Yeah, yeah, ma'am. Because most of the people they are working from home, you can say. So that is
Yes.
why they are comfortable, and even like ladies, they don't have much time because they have so many responsibility to take care of their children, to do household chores, so many things you can say, to take care of their in-laws, and so many things on their shoulders. So that is why, yes, ready-made dresses it's comfortable for all. I feel for me
Yes.
also. Yes, but I don't like stitch. I don't like ready-made cutting, you can say, because
Oh,
yes, I am master in these things like
yes.
stitching. So that is why always I, what do we call, like, means galtiyan nikalna.
Yes, 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 yes. Yes, because you are already a master of it, so definitely you want perfection in your dress.
Yeah. You
Why
can
would
say,
you
ma'am,
like?
like I have 15 years experience, so that is why after watching, after seeing this, like just I can judge. Okay, even single mistake.
Yes, yes, yes. So, yes, same thing like, definitely, or if something is very easy for us, if we can get it, something sitting at home. So I think why would we go outside and, something is easier for us. And in today's time, life has become very much, hectic, very much busy for everyone. Because
Yeah.
in today's time, ladies are also going out, doing work. There is so much of pressure in offices, school,
Mm,
so I think everybody likes to have, which you can get in a easy way. So everybody likes that life because Monday to
yes.
Friday is busy for everyone, and even sometimes Saturdays are also on in offices or schools. So I think you get
Yes.
only one day. So you feel like to relax if something you can get easily at home. So what's the harm in it?
Yes, yes, it's comfortable for all, I feel. Okay, that is why they prefer always online nowadays. Online shopping, it's very nice, I feel, for all. Mm.
Yes, but sometimes don't you feel like I used to do online shopping, but now I have stopped because many times I have noticed that whatever I used to order and it was totally different. What we usually get at home. We used to get at home. Like there was a lot of difference between the stuff which I would see in the screen and when I used to get it at home.
Yeah.
So many times and many times I did not like it. So that was the reason I have stopped buying online. Means I don't like to buy online shopping related to clothes. I would like to buy accessories and all, but I would prefer to go out and buy, because you do not come to know the stuff of a dress, which you come to know only by touching it. Sometimes they
Yes.
show you something different else, and when it comes, it is totally different. And it becomes a lengthy procedure to return it, and then again, you will get your money back. It becomes very lengthy process.
Yes, yes, ma'am. So, ma'am, you can say in if you talk about clothing, so I don't feel comfortable while on like while doing online shopping because first I want to touch them. Okay,
Yes.
then I feel comfortable because with online shopping sometimes we feel it's very nice. Okay, by showing off. Okay, after that when it comes, that time we think no, it's not comfortable for us, it is not looking like good. Okay, like that time you can say like showing these things. So that is why, yeah, both are different, you can say. But if you buy from offline, like from shop, it's fine.
Yes, at least you have that satisfaction. Like whatever we have bought, it is worth. It is worthwhile.
Yes, and you have to, ma'am, we have to grow our bonding also by offline shopping, I feel.
Yes. So
Yes,
definitely, if you are
yes,
buying something very big, very expensive, so why not to buy a shop? It is authentic. Actually, they will give you the real thing. So we should,
real
I
things,
think, when
yes.
we are buying something expensive, we should not compromise with, little money and all. I think we are already buying something very expensive. So I think just for little bargaining, we should not compromise. I think we should buy offline.
Yes, I feel offline it's comfortable for me, and I like offline shopping, ma'am, always. I don't like online shopping, but my son and children, my daughter, okay. If you talk about gadgets, they buy
Yes.
from online because they get some discount also by online shopping.
Yes, yes, yes. They always give you discount, they give you things less than the price from market. That's why, we always prefer to buy online. If we are getting something less cost than market, then everybody, I think, would like to buy online.
Yes, yes.
Yes. But this is
So
also the point why they are giving in less price. There must be some kind of, so I feel
yes,
like
trustworthy things.
yes, 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 yes.
It would
So
be
tell me, you
good
were
for.
saying something.
Yes, ma'am.
You were saying something, please.
Yes, I am saying so. Yes, you are saying right. I totally agree with your point. So yes,
Yes,
these things it is going on nowadays. Because you can say in cloth, in accessories, everything like by online. Earlier I was on Flipkart. Nowadays I have left 1 year back. Maybe I have left from Flipkart. But Flipkart, you can say selling it's very nice. It was very nice for me. Advantages always I took, but I think by showing off, people they buy, but after that sometimes they think so it is not good stuff for them,
yes, yes, yes.
and then they want to
And
return.
And definitely it is very good. Like for small accessories, you want to buy lunchbox, bottle for children, like for smaller things. I think it is appropriate. There is no harm. But when it comes to buy some kind of electronic things or your clothing, I think at that time you should be little cautious. If you go out and buy, you get the real satisfaction that you have bought something according to your needs. It is perfect
Yeah.
according to you. What I feel, because online shopping also becomes very much, sometimes it becomes very much easier for us when we do not have time to go out and in hurry when we want something in a very little time and we are not getting it from market, so definitely it becomes a boon for us. So I think
Yes.
yes, you are right, everybody has its pros and cons, so must
Sometimes,
utilize
ma'am.
everything wisely.
Yeah, sometimes, ma'am, we have to attend any party and function, and that
Yes,
time if we have a compulsion, okay, compulsion to buy something like gift and other things, so that time how will
yes,
we handle. So that is why
yes,
yes, we can say it's good for us, but most of the time you can say if people they are experienced person, so they think it's not good stuff.
yes, yes. And especially like you are living in Delhi, it must be easier for you to get everything. But especially for us, we have come here. So I think online is something very necessary for us because you cannot find each and everything nearby. So it has
Exactly.
become a necessity for us, to use online shopping ever since we have come here until it becomes a residential. So for us these days here, I think it is very much necessary for us to use online system.
Yes, you can say, ma'am, yes, both have pros and cons because I'm occupied with my work, you can say, and so many responsibility on my shoulders. So sometimes you can say nowadays grocery and so many things. Okay, I'm also buying from online,
Yes,
but
yes, yes,
yes, sometimes you can say if you talk about clothing, so I don't believe in clothing
yes,
related
yes.
things.
So I
Yes,
felt it was very good. We started from something else and we reached to online and offline shopping.
yes,
I like our conversation very much. We never thought that we will discuss over it. That's how this is. That's what the beauty of this language. The way we
yeah.
started with something else and we reached to this. So it was a lovely conversation. It was lovely talking to you. Thank you very much for taking out, special time for me. Thank you very much.
Thank you to you, ma'am. Thank you for giving me your time, you can say, giving your precious time for me also. Because we are connecting to each other, and after that, we can upload our video on YouTube channel. In this way, we are learning, ma'am. We are
Yes, yes,
improving
definitely.
ourselves.
Definitely, you are a very experienced person, and I have learned a lot today through this session.
Thank you, ma'am. You can say not. I am not experienced person, you can say. But yes, maybe I
Yes, I
am,
think.
because
mm,
your children, maybe they are small kids.
no, they are 12 plus.
Okay, 12 plus. My children, they
Yes,
are
they.
also, they are college going students. My daughter is pursuing
Okay,
masters, and my son is
okay,
pursuing
okay.
BSc in forensic science. Yes.
Okay, okay. So I can say professionally also, and you are elder to me also in both ways. You have so much of experience. That's why I told you already before knowing about you that I have learned a lot from you. Thank you.